little shed update. So this is the door I got on OfferUp. I got it for $35 actually. And this right here was the old door. Everything was rusting. It was a foam interior door, so it was literally falling apart. It's definitely not supposed to be outside. And then here's the new to me door that I got on OfferUp. It seems to be cherry, and I've been sanding it down like crazy, and also using paint stripper for the crooks and crevices. And then we had to try and make sure it fit, and luckily it did. It was just a little bit too long on the bottom. Project creep is real, and since we were already doing that, we're like, let's get rid of this trim piece that is obviously doing horrible. So we got rid of it. We took it off. Luckily we had another piece that was just the right size, and we cut it down and screwed it in. And then I have been filling it in the holes and sanding them. And then also we had to trim this side of the door because it wasn't like square. And then I have been painting it. I should be done painting and have it hung this week.